Welcome to Sacred Moments of Stillness and Strength. You're listening to the voice of peace, Erica J. Today we draw wisdom from the land where lava met ocean and destruction gave birth to beauty. Hawaii's volcanoes remind us transformation can be intense, but it always creates new ground. Now let's get into our affirmations. I am not afraid of change. Like the lava, I let go of what no longer serves, so something greater can rise. I release the pressure I've been carrying. I am safe to expand, evolve, and express. What feels like breaking down is actually breaking open. I trust the fire. I trust the process. I trust the promise. Even when I feel cracked wide open, I am still whole. I am protected. I am guided. I am growing. I am rooted in something deeper than fear. I walk forward, faith first, with grounded boldness and divine timing. The volcano doesn't ask permission to change the landscape. It just flows. It creates. It becomes. And you too are becoming. Don't rush the process. Don't fear the heat, because that's being formed in you. It's sacred ground. I rise with grace. Even after the burn, my healing is holy. My rest is sacred. My purpose is alive inside of me. Now let's breathe, stretch, reset, and remember, what God starts in fire, He finishes in glory. Subscribe for your next breath of healing. Until next time, keep walking in your purpose with love and light. Erica J.